Hello everyone, welcome to Unlock Apple, and in today's video we're going to unbox the very new Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. As you can see, this is a box pack, brand new iPhone just arrived, and we're going to do unboxing. We'll see what is inside, how it looks, and it's going to be a full unboxing with a review. Once you do open this, then what you're going to have inside is this Mi Note 10 Pro. At this point, of course, this phone has 108 megapixel camera, 6.47 3D curved almond display, and a battery capacity with 30-watt fast charging. And if you look at behind this phone, you can see how the cameras are. It has a double SIM card space, and let's remove the cover and see what is behind. And at the same time, we're going to turn this phone on. As you can see on the top front, you have selfie camera as well. So this phone having altogether six cameras, and it's quite edgy. It looks like a Samsung phone, and it does have 3.5 mm audio jack with a speaker on the bottom and a mic and a charging spot. At the same time, on the top we are having the microphone as well, the speaker. Let's see what is inside more they have in this box. Once you do remove it, what is coming out is okay. So the first, they give a cover for this phone. A case is included inside the box. All right, and of course a pin for SIM card tray, a user manual. So it's quite nice to have a cover in the box, so you don't have to buy anything extra. Okay, now next, let's get inside. We have charging cable and a charger here. All right, and after all that, okay, it's quite hard to remove. Except charger, there is no headphones inside. This is what it says, I think, on the box. That include in the box is phone adapter, USB, SIM eject tool, soft case, user manual. So they're not giving the headphones in the box. Okay, so you can see the charger here, and now we're going to turn on the on this phone, and we will see what is exactly this phone is all about. Okay, the Mi logo pops up. It's quite heavier than a normal phone. You can see the power on off button, the volume buttons, and the left side they have nothing. Okay, you're going to choose the language. Next, next. Okay, you can choose your network, or you can choose later. So at this point, this is just a setup. Of course, the SIM card is not in already, so we're going to skip this step. Okay, so looks like without SIM card, this phone is not going to always working. More, accept. see how the display is, how the camera is. Okay, you can choose fingerprints, lock, classic or limitless. Okay, we're going to have for now the basic, just for everyone to see how this phone is really from inside. This is the first look of Mi 10 Pro from Note. Okay, setup complete and loading applications. So we'll wait till the time this screen will pop up and the phone will be ready to use. At this point there is no SIM card inside and there is no Wi-Fi connected, so just going to see. I think that's the camera is with 108 megapixel. The top one I think is 64 or 32 MB. Okay, applications are loading. So far they say this is the best phone camera wise from Mi they make. All right, the phone is set up already. So now this is the first desktop of this phone. Swipe up and you can see it looks exactly same like Samsung phone. You have a Play Store, you have a camera, and how the camera is, let's find out. 50x zoom, and now 108 megapixel camera is on. You can see how the camera is. Okay, portrait mode, night mode, panorama, pro. So there are a lot of functions in this phone to use and to make video or short video you can make as well. 4K ultra high definition you can make, and the quality you can change as well. So you can see 1080p 60 feet 4K 30 fps. So this is the video you can use, you can make in here. You can go in settings and here you have all these settings. Video encoding settings, high performance. Okay, so it's quite nice phone. Once you make a video you can see the quality of video, it's coming different. It's quite impressive results. All right, okay, now you can press and hold. You can sign into, you can go into Play Store. More settings if you go inside. This is LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5 they have inside. The wallpapers, if you go inside and see, these are the wallpapers they are coming with. Now this is the right now the review of Mi 10 Pro. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share it, and comment below what you think about this phone, as this phone is very good at this time. So thank you for watching.